In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a low-level exception error in Adobe Premiere. If you've been struggling with this issue, don't worry, you're not alone. It's a fairly common problem that can often be resolved with a few straightforward steps. So let's dive right in and get your project back on track. First things first, we need to completely close out of Adobe Premiere. This might seem like a simple step, but it's crucial. Closing the program fully allows us to reset some of its internal processes. So go ahead and make sure Premiere is not running in the background, and once it's fully closed, let's move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to reopen your project. Simply fire up Adobe Premiere again and load the project you were working on. We're taking this step to ensure that any temporary hiccups might be ironed out on restarting the application. Now, navigate to the Edit menu option. This menu is packed with tools and settings that can help optimize your workflow. Under this menu, head to Preferences and then select Media Cache. Media Cache is essentially Adobe Premiere's short-term memory, which stores data related to your ongoing projects to improve performance. However, over time, it can also start causing issues if it becomes cluttered. Once you're in the Media Cache settings, look for the option that allows you to delete these cache files. Simply click Delete to remove all cache files. Clearing these out can resolve performance issues and glitches, as it essentially gives Premiere a clean slate to work with. Don't worry, deleting cached files won't affect your actual project files. With the cache cleared, it's time to restart Adobe Premiere once more. This helps the application reinitialize using the clean slate you've just established by clearing out the cache. It's amazing how something as simple as restarting can often solve big problems. Finally, you'll want to check if there are any updates available for Adobe Premiere. Oftentimes, Adobe releases updates to address bugs and improve performance, and making sure you're running the latest version can resolve a multitude of issues. Navigate to the Update section in Adobe Creative Cloud, and if anything needs updating, go ahead and install it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the low-level exception error in Adobe Premiere. It might take a few minutes, but getting your workflow back up to speed is worth every second. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Adobe software experience.